Aquarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading for love or romantic situation. Just take what resonates for you and wag pilitin i-fit kung hindi para sa inyo. Maraming salamat Aquarius. Please like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Let's see kung ano yung energy for you and your person about love and romantic situation. Ano yung energy ng person mo ngayon or towards you, Aquarius. Energy on love and situation for Aquarius. Anong energy ng person mo towards you? Aquarius. Okay. Okay. Nine of Wands. Okay. So, Aquarius, you are trying to be patient, no? Regarding sa inyong relasyon or love situation. Okay? Nine of Wands, yes. Your person is thinking about reconciliation, no? Makipag-ayos or makipagbati sa inyo. Parang gusto niya is i-ignore or kung ano man yung mga problema ninyo or kung meron kayong hindi pagkaintindihan or hindi kayo nagkakasundo. Merong energy sa person mo na i-let go, no? Kung ano man yung conflict or problema sa inyong situation. Yeah. But your person feels na parang you don't want to be distracted or your person is holding on tight sa kanyang energy, no? Parang ayaw niya mag-initiate ng communication or action towards you. But deep inside, merong feeling sa kanya na gusto niya makipag-ayos, makipagbate sa inyo, okay? It's just that the person doesn't want also to take the initiative to do it, no, for you, okay? Parang gusto ng person mo is parang sa'yo manggaling ang action or initiation, no, na maging malapit sa kanya or ayusin ang sitwasyon, okay? Yeah. 4. The Star. Definitely, your person is making a wish na maging maayos ang sitwasyon ninyo. Okay. He or she is hoping for the best sa relationship. At magkaroon ng kaayusan or direksyon ang inyong connection, no? Or ang inyong pagsasamahan. Your person is wishing na magkaroon ng paghihilom, no? Kung ano man yung pains and hurts na naramdaman niya or you, gusto niyang magkaroon ng healing, no, and forgiveness in the situation. Okay? He or she is hoping for the best na magkaayos kayong dalawa. 8 of Cups. Yeah, your person is trying to move on, no? Parang yung attention niya, dinadivert niya sa ibang bagay. Okay? He or she is temporarily living a situation na maapektuhan ang kanyang emosyon, no? In a negative way. So, umiiwas siya. He or she is moving on, no? Or walking away from a situation na fire, spark, something like that. Okay? So, maybe your person, ayaw niya ng gulo, ayaw niya ng conflict. You love this person very much, Aquarius. But you are not that expressive, no, sa inyong nararamdaman. You feel that you are left out in the cold, okay? You are making a decision, no, if you are going to take the initiative or the action towards your person. And at the same time, madami ka ding iniisip, no? Maybe this is responsibilities or trabaho, okay? You are making a decision, most especially, these are pentacles, so maybe about your work, no? Decision about money, resources, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo pinag-iisipan mo kung paano mag-take ng initiative. Okay? Kailangan mo ng harmony and balance in your emotions, in your situation, Aquarius. Okay? Queen of Cups, the Emperor. You are looking forward sa future about stability, no? Stability mo or stability ng connection or ng relationship. Okay? You want peace right now. Yeah. Ano natin? Yeah, King of Cups. Yes. Your person wants love and harmony, no? And peace. Pero ayaw niyang sabihin to sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. He or she wants reconciliation. Maybe you are fighting too much on and off, no? And merong exhaustion in the situation. Four of Pentacles. Tingnan natin. Yeah, gusto ng person mo na tapusin kung ano man yung conflict or meron kayong issues na dalawa, no? Or hindi pagkakasunduan, okay? Kung meron kayong mga disagreements sometimes, or maybe these are nonsense, no? Nonsense arguments or fighting, okay? Your person, gusto niyang tapusin yung ganong sitwasyon, no? And to reconcile with you, okay? But he or she is not taking action. Parang ayaw niyang gumawa ng first move. But if inside, your person, na gusto makipag-ayos, na gusto niya rin ng harmony and balance, okay? Tingnan natin the star. Yeah, your person wants to heal things with you. Gusto niya merong cooperation, coordination, no? Merong maayos na pakikipag-usap, ganon. Okay? But medyo ma-pride lang din siguro yung person na to. Aquarius, for some of you, just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Eight of Cups. Yes, your person is leaving a situation, no, temporarily, kung ano man yung gulo na meron kayo, or away, no, or conflict. Yeah. Your person wants something meaningful, no? He or she is walking away temporarily kung ano man yung gulo or conflict na meron kayo. Gusto niya mag-move forward na. Yes, the Chariot. So, there is moving on na mangyayari. Okay? Your person is moving on. Okay? Yeah. He or she is finding now the courage to move on, no, from a conflict or a chaotic situation. Okay? Your person wants, parang meron ding goal yung person mo. Okay? Meron siyang gustong i-achieve, no? Important or significant achievement, no? For her or for him, for both of you. Okay? Tingnan natin, Two of Pentacles. Ano to? Yeah, Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, so Aquarius, you may be the one who is a provider, no? It's like yung kasiyahan or kaayusan ng inyong sitwasyon, ng inyong relationship nakadepende sa inyo. You are making a decision about your family. You're thinking about sa kapakanan ng iyong pamilya. Okay, this is family, Ten of Pentacles, no? About financial security and contentment, no? And trustworthiness at the same time. Maybe meron ka mga desisyon na kailangang pag-isipan. You're thinking about your family all the time. You're making a decision, no? You are looking forward, no? Para sa stability ng inyong family. You're thinking about it. Five of Pentacles. Tingnan natin. Ano to? Yeah, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, it is your choice. Parang ayaw mo din. Actually, parang pareho kayo ng energy, no? You feel that you are left out in the cold. You feel that you are not given attention. And you are not also doing the action, no? Or the initiative, no? The first move. Yeah. You also feel that your person is doing this to you. Okay. Queen of Cups. Strength. Yeah. For the sake of peacefulness, no? Parang ayaw, for the sake of peacefulness, parang tinitiis mo, no? Yung sitwasyon. Because you want peace. Ayaw mo ng gulo. Ayaw mo ng conflict. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan ng healing and forgiveness, no? Sa person mo. Yeah. Okay. You have a lot of courage within you and naniniwala pa din kayo sa inyong relationship. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are thinking about forgiving your person or you are thinking about forgiveness. You are hoping, no, that your person will forgive you, no? Will release harshness, no? Na maging maayos yung person mo and you at the same time. Okay? Your intention is to make peace with your person, no? Forgive. Okay? That's what you want. The Emperor, let's see. Yeah, Eight of Swords. Yes, you are making a plan about your future, about your stability, okay? And it's like parang nahihirapan ka because of the conflicts, because you feel that you are not supported, okay? Because of the fighting. You are exhausted already with so many things. Work, money, okay, responsibilities. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Kailangan mo ng confidence. Yeah, you need to have confidence to take action, to take plans, to be strategic about sa career mo, sa trabaho mo to, okay? Para mabuo to, yung gusto mo na contentment, content home life, no? Yung parang, yung financially secured ka, yung person mo, okay? And this Ten of Pentacles, family. Okay? Next natin. So, ang problema is the Nine of Wands, no? There is on and off, no? You are exhausted. Merong exhaustion, no? May blocks and barriers also para maka-move forward yung situation or yung relationship ninyo smoothly. Yeah, para may obstacles talaga. Okay? So, Four of Cups. Okay? Yeah. Parang both of you are aware. Okay? Kung anong nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon or kung ano yung problema. Okay? Merong hindi pagkakakibuan. Mhm. Okay? So, I think kailangan nyo na mag-usap kasi pareho kayo ng intensyon na dalawa. And at the same time, you are both aware, nagpapakiramdaman who's going to take the action. Okay? So, this is how your person feels about you or the situation, Aquarius. So, it's up to you on how to take action regarding this. Okay? No? So, be confident. Take action. Yeah. Because sometimes you are trapped, no? It's just an illusion. Sa isip mo lang that you are trapped. Na parang hindi ka maka-move forward, na parang wala kang magawa. Or you are not that confident, no? Na maayos mo ang situation, most especially nawawalan ka ng kumpiyansa na mag-strategize para sa tatag ng inyong relasyon or sa future ninyong dalawa at ng family mo. Okay? So, ito lang yung mga messages and energies for you, Aquarius. I hope na maging okay yung situation mo. All the best sa inyo. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!